Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have the right tools. Install the NET SDK and Visual Studio Code, then add the C# extension and dev kit. Once done, open a terminal and run .NET New Web App on My App to create a minimal ASB. NET project. This gives you project files, a program, CS entry, and a launch configuration. Make sure to open the My App folder in VS Code so the workspace recognizes the SDK. This enables OmniSharp, IntelliSense, and debugging support immediately. Next, you restore and build so the environment is coherent. Run .NET Restore and .NET Build to catch errors early. Then configure debugging. Accept VS Code prompts to generate launch. JSON and tasks. JSON or create them manually to target the project DLL. Once configured, press F5 or run .NET Run to start the Kestrel server. Open the indicated local host port in your browser. While it runs, use breakpoints and watch windows for stepwise inspection, which is crucial to understand request to finish. Add your pages, controllers, or APIs and update the project file if you add packages. Make sure to rebuild and use the integrated terminal and output panels to follow logs. Dev tools in the browser help profile requests. If something goes wrong, first check OmniSharp status at the bottom bar, confirm the NET SDK path matches .NET info, and verify launch. JSON points to the correct framework and program path. Restart VS Code after fixing configurations to reload the environment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.